All right, come on. Let's go find somewhere to hide. I see them. They're up there, Lawson. Uh-oh, we're in the open. We're in the open. You'll be just fine. Hey guys, the day is just getting started, and I want to show you something that makes me super happy.
Oh, this is Switch 360 Ollie. Who won?
Player one wins.
Levi won. I won 2 rounds! Woo!
You guys are playing one of my favorite games. I used to play the heck out of the Nintendo 64. Let me know if you had one and what your favorite games were. Mine was definitely Tony Hawk's Pro Skater. Me and my brothers would play that thing all the time. And my system still works, and now my sons get to play. Work is finished for the day, and so we are going to have some fun. The girls are cooking some dinner, and Lacey's enjoying that. She's doing some homemade pasta, I think, tonight.
1 teaspoon of water.
1 tablespoon of olive oil?
1 tablespoon of olive oil.
Oh no, the egg is running
Teaspoon
down.
of water.
I did not make a big enough well.
Lace, what are you making?
Alfredo.
Alfredo?
Yes.
Homemade pasta?
Yes.
This looks more like a
Dad,
cake.
this is the dough.
Oh, okay. I'm just saying, it looks like a egg cake.
I knew I shouldn't have ordered this. This was not me.
Here, I'll put the...
Put the salt
Is it
in.
supposed to be doing that?
salt.
Put a teaspoon of salt
You
in.
didn't put your salt in yet? It was supposed to be mixed in with the flour.
Oh yes, I already did. Okay,
Go.
can I go?
Go.
Oh, a teaspoon of water.
I just did it.
Oh.
You weren't watching.
Mix it.
It says mix it with a fork first, but...
I'll just use...
This is... I feel
It
like...
was mom. This was not me.
Do not blame me.
We're gonna leave the girls to figure out that mess. And we're gonna enjoy some outdoor activities. What's up, boys? What are we getting ready to do?
Airsoft! And I never did it!
We are gonna play some airsoft. Lawson is fully protected with the Darth Vader mask. Levi, what are you wearing? He's got the full face covering. Landon, what's yours?
But I might go get my sunglasses.
He's using these. And I've got my Urkel glasses on. You know, airsoft is fun, but it hurts. And safety first.
It only holds for 1 second.
It only hurts for 1 second. Keep telling yourself that. All right, so we've got the trails in the woods. If you didn't see our video where we made the trail in the woods, you can see the beginnings of that trail. But we're gonna go enjoy the trails by playing airsoft. We're gonna go over some rules first. Deck right here is home base. So we're gonna have one team start on this side of the deck and the other team start on this side of the deck. One team will go that way and head into the trail from the yard, and the other team will head this way. This is crazy. This way and head into the trail this way. Teams will meet up somewhere in the middle and the battle will ensue. All right, Landon, how many outs are we doing?
How many hits
Yeah.
until you're out?
Yeah,
You should do 2 or 3.
let's do 2.
Okay.
Okay, so listen, so it's 2 hits and then you're out, okay? So if you get hit once, then you have to say, I got hit, and then if you get hit again, then you're out and you come back to base.
What if you lie and say, Dad, I hit it. I got hit.
No,
Dad,
there's no lying.
Dad, this can come off.
Okay, you just,
Is this?
no, you want to leave that on.
Can this be, can you come back here and reload?
Yeah,
Okay.
if you come back onto here, you're safe, but it's only to reload your gun. You can't come back here unless you're reloading your gun.
Yep.
I think it should be me and Lawson versus you two.
Okay. What guns do you get?
Me and Darth Vader versus you guys. Yeah, each team is going to get 1 pistol and 1 rifle. So you guys can be team Desert Storm, and we'll be team Midnight. Let's go. This way. All right, come on. Let's go find somewhere to hide. I see them. They're up there, Lawson. Lawson, you're in the open. Come on behind this tree. Move it up to the next tree. That's one. That's two. Ow! Got me. Come on, Lawson, let's get them. They're on the run. Come on. Did you shoot?
Yeah.
You shot one?
Yeah, I shot Landon.
Did you get him?
Yeah.
Watch out. Got him. Good job, Lost. Come on, Lost. Back to base. I can shoot your booty if I want. I gave you that booty. Where's the second hit?
Right here.
You won because you didn't get hit at all. All the rest of us got hit. Nice job, Darth Vader.
How do I read logos? Who hit you? Me?
You got me in the finger.
Oh, it was on safe the whole time.
Really?
Oh my goodness.
That would be why. Yep. All right, dude. Team Midnight. That's 1 point for us. How you doing?
Good.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
We're taking a break because Levi needs a little bit of a breather. This is the first time the younger boys have played, so they are getting acclimated to the airsoft battles. You doing okay, man?
Yeah.
Tough, man. Got some ice for your little welts?
Wait, he's on that.
Yeah, both of you guys. Matching sweatpants and outfits and matching,
sweatpants.
well, gray and blue and matching wounds. You got any welts?
I don't think so, unless there's one a little bit there.
Oh yeah, little guy. And they're back. Guys, you feeling better?
Yeah.
What do you
But
think?
I still have the bump.
Still got a little bump, but do you feel like you're ready to rock and roll? Show me your stealth moves. Oh yeah, that's looking good.
This is my stealth move.
All right. Yeah, but this one's worth 10,000 points.
Okay.
So the winner of this round wins the whole kit and caboodle.
I'm gonna win.
We're going this way, Lawson. Good luck. Good luck, fellows. This is the last round, so everyone's being a little bit more conservative. We're tucked up into this brush here. No sign of the other team anywhere. Lawson's making his way deeper into the thick of it. Where'd you see him?
No, he was right here.
Get behind a tree, Lawson. Get behind a tree. Can't get him here. Can't get him from here. They're moving, they're moving, they're moving. All right, this is it, man. They're in the field. We're gonna flank them. You ready?
It's gonna be a big battle.
What?
It's gonna be a big battle.
Let's get them. You went that way. You guys give up? No subbing. Give up? Alright guys, we're all done playing airsoft. We are beat. Who's tired? Raise your hand. It was a lot of fun. These guys, shout out to Lawson and Levi for their first airsoft battle ever. They were tough. They didn't give up. And we had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching this vlog. And remember to like, follow, share, and subscribe. And as always, we promise that we will
keep you posted.
see you guys soon.